There's a bit that you missed, but you smashed this frying pan on the ground. So my brother over there is going to take the camera while I beat the living hell out of this fucking thing. And that was his. Okay.
Camera me.
Okay.
I do not have dancing skills.
So, with this stupid coronavirus and damage to frying pan, we're gonna do whatever it takes to break this fucking thing and break the boredom.
And it's day how? Day what of quarantine?
We have no idea.
Yeah.
I know!
You broke the handle off first try! It took me a good solid few tries to do that.
And we're gonna throw it on the ground a couple times. Might get the handles all busted.
I'm out of breath. Oh. Damn, it's loud!
Yeah.
Throw it at the tree.
Oh, throw it at the tree.
Okay. Bring it high above your head and then just chuck it. I didn't want to get my toes cut off.
Still recording?
Yeah. Jesus Christ. It hit the tree.
As you can see, it's beyond repair, but I just use it as a cast iron smoke pot thing. Maybe something else.
Hold on, I want to throw it while holding the camera. Oh yeah, when I did mine, I broke a goddamn stick.
Yeah, watch this. Hey, Mom, can you open the garage? Please?
Yeah!
Okay, I'm gonna bring out the big guy.
Ah, yes. Lay sledgehammer. Alright, do that. Yeah. I don't know where to stand.
Just stand wherever you feel like it, Chris.
Oh! How do we explain that one?
We just patch it up.
Yeah! Alright, put it on the cement! Put the cement! Put it on the cement! Hit it like it's Calvin's head!
Chris.
Shout out to those who remember who that is. Oh, you're absolutely flooring it! Jesus Christ!
Okay, I think that should be enough for my camera.
Hold up. Once, I want to give it a swing on mine. Eh.
My dad's telling me to stop.